If Crimson Desert won't launch on PC, whether it's not opening at all or closing instantly, there are a few fixes that usually get it running. Let's go straight into it. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss PC fix guides like this. First, run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file, hit Run as Administrator, and try launching again. This fixes permission issues that can stop the game from starting. Next, verify your game files. If you're using Steam or another launcher, use the Verify Integrity option. Missing or corrupted files are one of the most common reasons games won't launch. Now update your graphics drivers. Go to NVIDIA or AMD's official site and install the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent newer games like Crimson Desert from launching properly. Another big fix is installing or updating Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX. These are required for most PC games. And if they're missing or outdated, the game may crash instantly on launch. If the game opens then closes, try disabling overlays. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, or any recording software like OBS temporarily. Overlays can conflict with game startup. Also, check your antivirus or Windows Defender. Sometimes it blocks the game files from running. Add the game folder to your exceptions list and try again. For some systems, switching to windowed mode on launch or lowering startup settings in the config file can help if the game crashes immediately. Pro tip: always launch the game after a fresh PC restart when troubleshooting. It clears background conflicts that can silently block the game. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what happens when you try to launch it, and I'll help you fix it.